Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Royal Pohas. I am the Marketing Manager of MLSN Franchising Solution Corporation. If you're looking for franchise, we offer different varieties of drinks and food concept na patok po sa masa. Very affordable ang price, very affordable ang franchise, and take note, ang pag-uusapan po natin dito, lifetime franchise. Wala na po kayong ibang iintindihin na bayaran, kundi ang franchise fee. Wala pong monthly fee, walang royalty fee. At napakasarap po ng ating mga ino-offer na food.
At ako naman pala si Julius Cesar Parturiza and I'm one of the senior franchise consultant. And lagi niyo pong tutukan ang patok sa program dito sa DZAR. Monday to Friday is 1 to 2 p.m.